I will free myself from you, yeah. We'll